Do you love taking your video of yourself, or do you not like it at all because you feel you're always looking not like you? Hello, Sigrid Cast here, marketing and visibility strategist. And in this video, I want to share with you some tips and ideas around using video for visibility. Whoops, there I'm tripping over my own tongue. So, using video recordings of yourself for visibility and authority and credibility, of course, those three just go hand in hand, especially when you are creating videos where you are the center of attention. Now, when people say, I don't like to video myself, okay, one tip there would be instead of being on the screen like I am right now, do it as a screen share. So you only appear on the side somewhere of the overall size of the screen, and you have something else on the screen. For example, some PowerPoint slides that you talk to. You could do that. So your voice is still there, your personality still shines through, but your face is not right there center stage, if that is something you're not really keen on doing. Of course, being center stage gets you, who you are, across to the audience, the people that are watching the video. And the cool thing there is that that's how we get to know each other, isn't it? I can see by your eyes, by how you smile, by how you just generally share all those gestures like I'm doing right now, who you are. I get a glimpse at you and you get a glimpse at me right now. So video is absolutely wonderful. Now, what about, this is the authority, this is the credibility. Now, what about the visibility? Visibility is fantastic for video. You can do so many different things with video. You can pop it into social media, of course, put it onto a YouTube channel, create your own channel if you haven't got one already. If you've got one, put videos out on a regular basis. Don't know what to talk about in a video? All of the content that you're creating in writing or in other formats, images, whatever it is, each time also created as a video. It really means that more people and more places get to see you. Visibility increase for you. And of course, at the Global Virtual Expos, video is a brilliant opportunity for you to be seen because you have your own expo booth where you can share a video directly on the booth. You could also share a video in your brochures that you can upload into your expo booth. For example, other videos of particular topics that you want to share with your audience. And you can submit videos that we put into the auditorium. So make sure at this expo you go to the auditorium and have a look at all the different videos that are running there. And then, of course, you can go live into the live stage and be there, and then after your live presentation, network with the people that are there. And that video that is going to be recorded for you there can then again go into your or onto your YouTube channel. So video really is a powerful medium to create. And if you're using Zoom, for example, to video yourself, you can take as many takes as you like. If you stumble over your words, which I did a little earlier, I don't really mind. That's just me. It happens. But if you don't like it, just stop the video and do it again and do it again and do it again. Take 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. It doesn't really matter. It's just your own time that it takes. So, creating a video is a brilliant and powerful way for you to turn visibility into value. Make use of it, do it lots of times, and like you can see right now, I'm just very small on the screen if you're going to do it by screen share because you don't really wish to have yourself fully in the picture. Totally up to you. My tips on using video.